Hi, this is Zetwa Dipele of HTDOS Technology Center. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a folder. Now, a folder is a container in which we keep files and other folders, and we also keep our programs on a computer. We are going to be having different ways of doing that. First, we are going to be creating a folder on the desktop, and then we'll create a folder in different directories. And I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. Alright, so let's get it started. Alright, now so to begin with, we are going to first of all create a folder on the desktop, and then it is pretty easy to do that. Just right click on the desktop, point to new, and then you select folder. Alright, so you see that folder is being created with the default name new folder, and you can also see that the name new folder has been highlighted blue. If you have it highlighted, then it means that it is ready for you to put in a new name, or you stick to the name new folder. If you want to stick to the name new folder, you just have to click on the desktop, and then the name new folder will take effect. Or you can also, after creating the new folder, you can also go ahead and give it a new name by typing anything, like typing a name that you want to give to your folder. So maybe I want to give my folder the name Z1, right? And after I'm done, I can either click on the desktop for the name to take effect. I can also press on the enter key for the name to take effect. Alright, so this is how to create a folder on the desktop. We can also create a folder within any of these folders, okay, but just by opening the folder, and then inside it we can take the same step that we used on creating the folder on the desktop by just right clicking, and then you select new, and then you select folder. Another way to do that, when you are inside a folder, you just click on new folder on the toolbar here, then you click on new folder, and then a folder will be created for you with the default name new folder. Now when a folder is being created inside another folder, we call it a subfolder. So this is a subfolder. We have created a subfolder inside the folder Z1. So we can give it any name if we want to, or we can leave it as new folder. And inside this subfolder, we can create another folder by taking the same step, just this, or by doing the right click thing. Any of the two steps will work for you pretty well. And you can see on the directories bar, we can see that we are inside Z1 and inside new folder. Now if we create another folder, there maybe give it a different name, we can see that when we open that folder, it will be added to the directory. You see that we are inside Z1 new folder and desktop. Alright, because that is the name given to the subfolder that we just created. Alright, so that is how to create a folder. But I want to show you something really quick here. If you have a new computer installed, you wouldn't have all these icons that I'm having and these folders that I'm having on my computer. You may be having just maybe this PC and maybe some few icons. If you want to get it started and go through the default folders that comes with the computer, and then go around and see where your files are, you can just click on the File Explorer. This is File Explorer. Click on it. It will open by default. So we are inside File Explorer. What we are seeing here is just the quick access, meaning what I have accessed within this short period is what we are seeing here. Alright, so in the quick access under the left pane, we can see we have desktop. When we click on desktop, we can see everything that we were having on the desktop here. In the downloads, we can have the same thing there. If we have some few files downloaded. We can see them here. We can create a folder here if we want to. We can also create a folder on the desktop from here if you want to. And then all these directories, you can create a folder there using the same method, those two methods that we have seen already. But this one is recycle bin, the files that I've deleted so far. Okay, so all these folders that I'm having here, I can create a new folder here if I want to and keep my files inside them. All right, now let's go and have a look at the primary hard drive of this computer just by clicking on this PC. And then you will see, so these are my hard drives. I have drive C, and then I have a storeroom. That is where I store most of my files. Okay, right, maybe on your computer you will only be seeing Windows Drive C. You can open Drive C and then create a new folder here and keep your files in on a Drive C. All right, so that is how to create a folder. Now the last thing that I want us to have a look at is how to rename the folder. Now to rename the folder, you just have to right click on the folder and then you select rename. Okay, so you see that the name will be highlighted just like we've seen before. Then you can go ahead and give it any name, maybe dots. Okay, and then the name will take effect. All right. Okay, and then to wrap it up, I want us to have a look at how to customize that. Maybe you have been seeing this folder icon or this while, like the look of the folder or this while, and maybe you want to uh, customize it. All right, to make it look different. All right, you just have to click on the folder, then you go to properties, and then you go to customize, then you change the icon, and you can select a few. We have a few icons here to select from, right? So you can click on any of them. Okay, I would like to use this one, this icon, so I click on it, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Alright, so this is how my folder is looking now. Alright, so this is how to create a folder and this is how to go about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.